Our carbon brush has been in business for more than 80 years. Here are some of the features and reasons why our company continues to be chosen. Our carbon brushes are used in various industries and applications. Our brushes are divided into two categories: industrial brushes used in industrial fields such as trains and wind power generation, and mass-produced brushes used for mass-produced products such as home appliances. This time, we would like to introduce our industrial brushes. Specialized engineers. We have experienced and specialized engineers who can provide multi-technical support. For example, even if you do not have a drawing, we can create that if we have the actual product or a photograph. Flexible support. We manufacture in our own factory and can flexibly respond to delivery dates, lots, and so on. Please contact us first. Wide variety of materials. We offer a wide range of materials from our extensive lineup according to usage conditions and applications. In addition to solving problems such as life improvement, we can also provide brushes that are difficult to obtain due to discontinuation of production and develop new materials. Reliable production base. Full support system. Quality is stable because we have been manufacturing same factory since the foundation of the company. We can also provide technical support for wear reduction, spark reduction, and so on. Moreover, we have 16 bases around the world, which enables us to respond quickly to your needs. These features have made Toyo-Tanso the preferred choice for various industries. Please feel free to contact us for any inquiries by overview section.